Sets. Do not forget to subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask or suggest anything. Set is a list or collection of objects that share a characteristic. The items contained within a set are called elements. A set may contain, for example, numbers, days of the week, or names of friends. In fact, anything you can imagine. A set can be described by listing all the members of the set, or by giving a rule to describe the members. Let's see one example. The set A is the set of letters in the word Mississippi. A set is named with a capital letter. We can list each element of a set inside curly brackets. Commas separate each element in the set. We can describe the set A by writing their elements directly. The elements of a set must be distinct. That is, the elements of a set are not repeated, and the order of the elements does not matter. Pay attention. Let's look at another example. P is the set of odd numbers between 0 and 10. We can describe the set P by writing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The count of elements in the set A is NA, so the number of elements in the set A is 4. The number of elements in the set P is 5. We use the symbol to mean is an element of or belongs to. We use the symbol to mean is not an element of or does not belong to. Look at the set A. M is an element of set A, or M belongs to set A. D is not an element of set A, or D does not belong to set A. Look at the set P. 3 is an element of set P, or 3 belongs to set P. 6 is not an element of set P, or 6 does not belong to set P. Now we will see two very important concepts in set theory. Pay attention. Associated with any set is a universal set, denoted U. The universal set contains all the elements under consideration, a particular problem. Given two sets, A and B, if every element of A is also an element of B, A is called a subset of B. This symbol means A is a subset of B. The symbol means A is not a subset of B. For example, if we are considering all the letters of the alphabet and the letters in the word Mississippi, we can say that the set of all letters of the alphabet is the universal set, and the set of the letters of the word Mississippi is a subset of U. Set A is within set U, so set A is a subset of U. This is written as: if we are considering all natural numbers and the odd numbers between 0 and 10, we can say that the set of all natural numbers is the universal set, and the set of the odd numbers between 0 and 10 is a subset of U. Set P is within set U, so set P is a subset of U. This is written as: Venn diagram. Sets can be shown in a diagram called a Venn diagram. The elements of the set are shown within a closed curve. A Venn diagram consists of an universal set U represented by a rectangle and sets within it, represented by closed curves or circles, each representing a specific set. For example, consider the universal set U as the set of natural numbers between 0 and 10, and the set C, the set of odd numbers less than 7. We can display the set C on the Venn diagram using a circle. The elements of C are placed within the circle, while the elements of universal set U are placed outside the circle. We should notice the set C is a subset of universal set. Let's see how it works. Set U is the set of natural numbers from 1 to 15. Set A is the set of even numbers from 1 to 15. Set B is the set of prime numbers from 3 to 15. List the sets U, A, and B. Let's write down the elements of set U, A, and B. Show the sets on a Venn diagram. The elements of the set A are shown within a closed curve. The elements of set B are placed within the circle. The numbers 1, 9, and 15 are part of the universal set, but they are not in set A or set B, so they are outside the circle and the closed curve. Fill in the blanks with symbols or numbers to make the resulting statements true. Three is an element of B. Set B is a subset of set U. Set A is a subset of set U. 6 is an element of A. Set U is not a subset of A. Set A is not a subset of set B. 4 is not an element of set B. 9 is not an element of set A. 10 is an element of set U. 11 is an element of set U. Set A has 7 elements. Set B has 5 elements. Sometimes we find that a set has no elements. Such a set is called the empty set and is denoted by these symbols. The complement of a set. Let U be the universal set and A a subset of U. Then, the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not in the set A. For example, let U be the set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the set A be the set of 2, 4, and 5. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not in the set A, In this case, the complement is the set 1 and 3. The complement of a set can be represented with several different notations. The complement of set A can be written as or